If your Subaru's touchscreen isn't responding, first, restart the engine. Turn off your car, wait about a minute, then turn it back on. This works like rebooting a frozen phone and can bring the infotainment system back to life. If that doesn't work, try resetting the head unit. If your Subaru has a CD player, press and hold the CD eject, volume, and tune/scroll buttons until the screen turns off and restarts. If you don't have a CD player, just hold the volume knob. Even if screen off pops up, keep holding until it fully shuts down and reboots. Next, check for a software update. On the touchscreen, go to Settings, then Wi-Fi Settings, and connect to Wi-Fi. Go back, choose Software Update, and hit Download now. When the download finishes, turn off the car, lock the doors, and keep your keys at least 10 feet away for 5 minutes before starting it again. If none of these fixes help, you may need to replace the infotainment system. Some models qualify for a free replacement under Subaru's extended warranty, so it's worth checking before paying for repairs.